we're live!
Welcome to Sunny Sunday Stories.
Almost got it. Just need to push harder.
Tom, watch out! That's the sandwich cooler!
Roar! T-Rex is ready for the beach!
Mom, Leo is bringing too many toys again.
Leo, pick 2 dinosaurs. We need leg room.
Fine, but T-Rex stays.
No fair! You have to put one back.
Your dinosaur is crossing the invisible line. He likes your side.
Tell him to explore his own seat, Leo.
Mom, Leo called me annoying.
Kids, calm down. Look out the window, a cow.
We saw it, Dad. It's just a cow.
I am starving. I think I might perish.
You won't perish, Leo. You just ate breakfast. No snacks on this trip, kids.
No snacks! The vacation is ruined!
Okay, this is bad. Mom, do something!
Oh no, the snack bag isn't here.
What? I don't like oh no when driving.
Wait, I have emergency pretzels in my purse.
Mom, you saved us!
Get ready for the next video right here.
And don't forget to subscribe for more.